Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you guys had a very good weekend. All right, we're just going to kind of keep the analysis simple today. Where are we going this week for Bitcoin and Ethereum? And will the overall market follow? Probably. We're seeing actually a little bit of flip-flop in here. Some coins in the green today, some are in the negative, but we'll go over that. Okay, I'm going to start this simple. When I wake up in the morning, guys, what I've been doing, just looking straight at price versus well money flow and then trend exhaustion down here. So let's talk about this. We've got what's called negative divergence, which is also known as bearish divergence here, where we see price action is actually heading up and then hitting some of these double top formations right here. And we're hitting a double top formation right here, while the well money flow is selling off. So when this green line goes down, it means wells are selling, larger transactions are selling. When it moves up, it means larger transactions are moving into the market, okay? This is a sign here that a lot of money is being abandoned to the upside to retail traders, okay? This sign here does give us a bearish divergence, which usually pushes price back down. We can also see that the trend exhaustion got pretty high here around this level. We're seeing a little bit of an overextension, so I'm looking for this to follow suit on a move back down. Now remember, this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me bring you guys right now over to the daily time frame, because on the daily, we are very high up here on the trend exhaustion, and well money flow is also heading up here. So when we look at this, we must go into the past and say, all right, what has happened in the past at these levels? This is where we ended up getting a pretty big crypto drop in Bitcoin. Last time that happened, previous time before that, it called this drop over here. And then we're looking at the previous time we got up this high. This is the overextension in the market, and that's where we went into the bear market cycle, okay? So I want you guys to be watching this. This is in the top red section, looking for the move back down. Well money flow moving up, looking for the move back down as well. You guys can snag these in the description. Very, very good indicators to call tops and bottoms. And we've used those to actually secure 124 wins now with one loss. So we ended up calling the ape exit. That was for 12.26%. That was on, I believe that was on Sunday. I ended up calling that out. This weekend, I ended up calling this out. So you guys got in. We called that on the website, and then I told you guys here we're getting back into the trade as well to get ourselves exposed to that, and we're down just a little bit right now, so let me show that to you guys. This is the ape trade. Let me go down to the 4-hour time frame, and this is what we're looking like, and I'm really glad we did get exposed to this, because if the market is going to head back up, we are very close to break even where we can push back up here, and then we'll be looking to take some profit on that. So we're starting to win trades again, guys. This is, we had 23, we had 24. That's 12% on ape. These coins are so low, so the percentages are going to start adding up very quickly now. Okay. Those are the indicators that you guys want to be snagging. Those are over here. Just make this really quick. You guys are going to get these for 82% off. This is a discount we've had going on for quite a bit. Lifetime access, one-time payment, source codes, all indicators. You guys can see them down here. Here's all 9 that you're going to receive. Price versus well money flow. Trend exhaustion is here. Those are the 2 main ones I use on the charts every morning. The 3 that I use here on top are actually more expensive than just getting all of them with the bundle pack. So I suggest you guys look at getting the bundle pack today, because that will give you guys the greatest value. And we use those in our scalping strategy if you guys want to watch that strategy right over here. And this is how we've gone the 124 wins with only one loss, okay? Pretty awesome. All right, now let's go over to the charts, and let's take a look at this. By the way, I will be updating that because it said 123. If you guys saw that, I'll be updating it because we are officially at 124 with ape. Okay. Bitcoin metrics. Let's take a look at this. So what we've been seeing lately, guys, is we saw down here that the indicator oscillated all the way down to the bottom side and gave us about a 95% chance of a move back up. If ever this happens and the market keeps going down, this is a very bullish sign, and it still means a form of divergence, saying, all right, you know what? We're still pushing down to these 80% chances. This is a very strong sign we're moving back up. 80% or plus in anything out there, guys, is pretty strong value. If I said, hey, you've got an 80%, 80 to 100, well, I will say 80% chance or a 90% chance you're going to win the lottery today, like that's pretty high. You'd probably get excited, okay? So if I said you have an 80 to 90% chance, or, like you're going to hit a rock on your windshield or something like that, like boo-hoo, like nobody wants that, okay? It's actually a pretty strong probability is what I'm saying. So we ended up seeing a little bit of move back up. Now what you guys need to be watching for here is this, because it's now transitioned over into looking like we're going to be doing some moves back down, some pullbacks in the market. And I will be going over that projection here in just literally 1 second. Just let me show this to you guys. Here's what I want you guys to watch for. You need to look in the past how Bitcoin has oscillated from I would say looking for long trades to short trades. So the aggressiveness, the percentage chance of a move back up to a percentage chance of a move back down. Okay, if we take a look at this spot right here, we hit about 100%. That pretty much guaranteed the drop. Look at this at about 85%. Definitely saw a move back down. Pushing to 90%, we definitely saw a move back down. Pushing to 80%, absolutely saw the move back down. You push into 80%, we absolutely saw the move back down. We pushed to 90%, and we definitely see the move back down. This is why these metrics are so ridiculously powerful for you guys, is because they simply just work. Okay, this is called the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances, 90% plus chance of a move down, definitely had that happen. So if this week we start seeing any type of bullish signs entering into the market, I want everybody to be very cautious on long trades when we start hitting into the 90 to 100% chance of a move back down. Okay, because this is called this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in a row. The last 6 times we hit 90% or higher, we have seen pretty nice drops back down. Okay, let's wrap this video up. You guys can snag this with our membership. There you guys go. Access that metric on every single one of our coins here, Telegram access, community chat, master classes, inside tips, and I go live with you guys every single month, which we'll be posting this link here pretty soon. Okay, I want to go over this. What's the projection? Let's take a look at Bitcoin here, and I think a 50% retracement is probably as low as we're going to hit here before we start seeing moves back up. So we're going to take a 50%, sorry, let me bring this out here again. We're going to take the high of the trend and we're going to pull the low of the trend, and we're going to be looking at a 50% retracement. Interesting enough about this, we're already starting to see the move down this morning, which I'm almost positive is correlating to the daily time frame here of basically the overall structure of crypto. It's exhausted from going up. Like, it needs to have a healthy pullback. Okay, watch. So the healthy pullback, where are we looking at? It's looking at the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci. Well, funny enough, this puts us exactly at the structure support here, which is right around $20,000. Okay, let's look at $20,000 exactly. $20,000. My apologies, guys. $20,000 is up here. I thought we were going to be closer. 50% retracement puts us at 19,000, about 500, I would say. 19,500 puts us in the golden zone. So a move back down to 19,500 this week is actually pretty healthy in my opinion. So if this does happen, I would, guys, all of you guys need to be looking for scalping trades if that happens to ride this thing back up on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, that is the sweet spot this week. It's 19,500 to get back in. This will not only be a 50% retracement, this will be a double bottom of structure. Trend exhaust will most likely be low, as well money flow. And the metrics on Bitcoin will most likely actually push back down. If we get that low, I think we could push down between the 70 to 80% mark. You guys know anything between 80 and 100 with the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section here, and well money flow low is a valid scalping entry. So you guys can look for that. All right. I love you guys. Have a good one. The indicators in the description. All the metrics you guys need to track crypto, like I just showed you guys, are over here as well. So you guys can see that. Looking at the market cap strength, you know, this metric is good. I'll come out with some more opinions on this later this week. I like it. It's not the end all be all for metrics. Neither is long and short trades. What I've kind of noticed here a little bit is long and short trades over here. Yes, they're extended here, but they've been extended in volume for quite a while, and the market has still gone down. That's why I don't put a ton of pressure on that. Even with this moving down here, see a market cap moving out of Bitcoin, the price still moved up. So we may be. I'm opening the can of worms right now, and here we go. We may be doing a ridiculous overhaul to the website. We have potentially got our hands on something that's insane for crypto, guys. Maybe I already said too much, but please keep following this channel. All of my OGs who have been with us for a while, please watch the Telegram channel, because I'll be calling some things out there. But I'm going to talk to the team today intently about some things. We're going to have a team meeting today. We're having actually a team meeting on Tuesday, and then we're having a big team meeting on Wednesday. So big things to come, and I think you're really going to like some things we could potentially be releasing this week. So watch out for that, guys, and I'll keep you kind of on your seats there, because it could be absolutely amazing. All right, I love you guys. Have a good one. Watch for that next scalping trade when the trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section. Well, money flows low, and if it's anywhere close to the double bottom here, it's going to be a great spot to look for 4% in the market. Take the profit, go into the next trade, and I'll see you guys next video. All right, I love you guys. Bye-bye.